Hello, honey. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Peppa Pig Fairy Princess. Please subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, a dress, arms, legs, wings, a crown, and a magic wand. Let's look at the picture one more time. A head, a dress, arms, legs, wings, a crown, and a magic wand. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. And let's choose dark pink marker and draw an oval in the middle for nose, then 2 dots for nostril. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw horizontal line on the top of the nose and draw it to the right. Then let's draw the same level on the bottom. Then let's draw small horizontal line on the bottom of this oval. Then let's connect these lines with curve, big curve. Oh, you're doing great! Now let's draw 2 circles for eyes, the first and the second. Then choose black marker and draw 2 dots for eyes inside these circles, the first and the second. Then let's choose dark pink again and draw a smile. U shape. Then let's add a blush and draw a big circle over here on the right side of the head. Then let's draw a dress. Draw a curve to the down. Then on the right side, another curve to the right and connect them with straight line. Then let's draw wings. Draw big curve on the right side, then sideways G shape on the left side. Then let's draw a tail. Draw little curve to the right, then little oval on the top and small end over here, small curve. Now let's take light pink and draw arms. I start over here on the right side and draw vertical line for arm and 2 short strokes for palm, for fingers. And let's draw another arm on the right side. I start over here in the middle of the dress, draw diagonal line, then 2 short strokes on the left side and on the right side for fingers. Then let's draw 2 diagonal lines for legs, the first and the second. Then let's take black marker and draw an ovals. Then let's take black markers. Then let's take black marker and draw 2 ovals for shoes. The first and the second. Then let's take dark pink marker and draw a magic wand. Draw diagonal line over here on the left side. Then let's take orange marker and draw a top of the magic wand. Draw 4 letter V around the magic wand. Then let's connect this line with top of the magic wand. And let's add a gem in the middle. I choose blue marker and draw a small blue circle inside the magic wand. Now it's time to draw a crown. Draw 2 curves, the first and the second. Then let's connect them over here. Then let's take orange marker and draw a diagonal line on the right side and another diagonal line on the left side. Then upside down V shape in the middle. And let's connect these ends with curve on the right side and on the left side. Now let's add gems. I choose blue marker and draw small blue circle on the left side of the crown. Then I choose pink and draw small pink circle in the middle. And then I choose green and draw a green small circle on the right side. Wow, wonderful drawing! I like your Peppa Pig. Now let's color in together. You can choose any color you like. Now I choose dark pink and color in the blush. Try to stay inside the line. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose this color for dress, tracing the arm, then coloring the dress. Try to stay inside the line. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Then I choose black for shoes and coloring it inside. Then I choose light pink for head. Try to color every completely from edge to edge, so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Try to stay inside the lines. Oh, you are great at drawing. Then I choose dark pink again and color in this part. Then I choose blue, then green, and yellow, and color in the magic wand and the crown. Wow, your Peppa is so good! I want to see it so much! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. Love you. Bye bye.